Hey, it's Annie. Today I thought I would do a get ready with me, and I'm going to play around with this palette a little bit more today, but I'm going to do a softer look. I know some of you wanted me to do, were expecting me to do more purples, so I'm going to do a purple look for you today. I don't know what I'm going to do. We're just going to wing it today. So if you have the Norvina Anastasia palette, pull it out. We'll do our makeup together, okay? Before we get started, please make sure you click the button below, hit the subscribe button. I share new videos every single week. Notification bell, click on that too. And always leave me a comment. It helps my channel. It keeps you in the know, because if you don't, then YouTube will unsubscribe you. Kind of what's happening with Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I kind of do more behind the scenes. I do, I just do whatever. So follow me on Instagram, because it's another way that I can connect with you and talk, chat with you, as well as on my channel. I always love answering comments. You know that I always get back to you guys, so always leave me a comment. All right, let's get into this. And by the way, when we're doing this, I am going to skip over the brow part because I've been doing something different. So I'm going to do a special video on that. Otherwise, girl, this video would be like real long. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted you to know that. So really quickly, I've already, put my sunscreen on. I used my Chanel Le Blanc primer. And let me know again the lighting. I know last time you guys said it was good. I'm hoping it's good today. Hoping it's good today. All right. And I've already primed my eyes as well. So we're going to get right into this. I'm going to get my little, look how cute this is. This is the new little holder for the Beauty Blender. And I have to tell you something. I've been lying to you guys. We're going to talk about that. So let's get into my, I'm just going to use my concealer that I love, my Lancome Effaceurs. This isn't going to be totally about like a look or anything like that. This is more of a get ready with me, but I'll pop in here and there and talk about some of the stuff, but I always leave the details below. Always click below because I share the details on whatever I'm using, and if I can, what I'm wearing, although this is from last summer. My bralettes from Victoria's Secrets last summer. I haven't bought a lot of clothes this year because we're buying furniture and I can't do both. Furniture is really expensive. So when we got here, when we moved to Florida, this is kind of like story time. Get ready with me. When we moved to Florida, we had to get our license. And let me tell you, it was interesting. You have to have everything, like you need to have all your stuff together. You have to get all your, what together. Oh, I'm going to use my Hollywood filter. I am really liking this. It gives me a nice glow. I don't put too much on, but I've been like, honestly, I just put it all over. That's what I do, except my nose. But when we came here, we had to get a license. And when we did that, we had to have our birth certificates, not from the hospital, from the county. And I think I had to have my Social Security, marriage license, not from the church, from the county, all that stuff, okay? And I have always gone by my name, spelled A-N-N-E, always gone by that name. My parents named me after my grandmother, who died right before I was born. And she spelled her name A-N-N-E. And somewhere along the way, I didn't realize this, but my parents, they wanted to name me after my grandmother, but they actually messed up, or the hospital messed up and did A-N-N. But all of these years, I've always spelt it A-N-N-E. On my marriage license, on her, like everything says A-N-N-E. Well, when we went to go get my driver's license here, and that was never a problem in Illinois. It was, like I said, it was always A-N-N-E. When we went to get my driver's license here, they said, no, your name is spelled A-N-N. You are not A-N-N-E. So I guess I've been lying to you about my name. Even though I say Annie and I always spell it with an E. It's like the show, Annie, Ann with an E or whatever it's called. And people always pronounce my name Annie. So I guess I've been lying to you. So I guess my name is really Ann. So I guess I'm Ann Makeup and More, and not with an E. So I don't even know how to fix this. I really don't even know what to do. I don't even know what to do, because my marriage license, the birth certificate of my daughter says Ann and E. Like, I don't even know what to do to fix it. I don't even know. So my driver's license has it just A-N-N, or A-N-N, and then my everything else is A-N-N-E. So I don't even know what to do about it. It's such a mess. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's my life. I know. So I'm just blending. Do you see the glow that I'm getting though? Do you see that? That is from this stuff. This stuff is, I really, really like it. Don't go crazy using it though, because I could see how it could get over oily. Now, one thing I will say about it, because I'm here in the humidity, is that, I mean, I really have to be careful with it, because it can get like, by the end of the night, I can see that my makeup's wearing off a little bit faster, but I don't know. Is it because of it, or is it just the humidity? I don't know. I don't wear a ton of makeup. I don't use a lot of foundation, as you can see. I didn't. And this is one area that I have to use my powder. And even with this, sometimes it'll wear off a little bit, but it does better. It goes longer for me using this. This is the dual finish. Then if I put any kind of liquid on my nose, it'll be off in a couple hours, you know. If I use that, I can go like all day almost, you know what I mean? You know what else I'm gonna do really quick too? Do I not have it? Oh no, I do. Ooh, girl, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush. I love this. I've been doing this on my well, I use this all over my face, but I've been doing this on my eyebrows, and it does, not my eyebrows, my eyes. I kind of set my primer, and it helps somewhat with the, you know, transfer of my mascara. Yeah, I just have oily skin there, I guess, so you hear that? Yeah. One thing you're gonna get used to with my videos here is you're gonna have to get used to hearing thunderstorms in the background, or you're at people. I'm going to do a little bit of an extra glow today. I don't even know if they still sell this, but it's the Too Faced Diamond Highlighter. I don't use this all the time, but I still do enjoy using it. I'm looking for my little highlight brush. Thank the Lord they stopped. I just like to put a little bit right there. I think this is Rose Initiale. I think that's what this one is. I can't remember. And instead of stopping to look at it, we'll just put the details below. I'm going to be getting a haircut soon. I cannot wait to get my hair done. I don't know what I'm going to do. I say haircut. I don't know. I don't want to really go short. What do you guys think? Okay, like, I like wearing my hair longer, because living here in the summertime, I feel like I have to swoop it up sometimes. And when you have short hair, I had days when it was hot where I'd feel like I wish I could pull my hair off my face more, and you can't, because it's just short and you can't do it. So that's why I like having it, like I can get it all off my neck, you know what I mean? And all off my face. And if your hair is really, really short, then I just feel like when I don't like myself in really short hair anyways. But I feel like if you have a bad hair day, you just have a bad hair day. You know what I'm saying? And so I really like having my hair longer. So I don't know, I might just take it up a little bit. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna keep my hair though. I'm not gonna go to red. Red is just too much work for me, and I like the blonde better on me. I'm using this color right here, and I know you can see it because I can see it in my monitor. If I get too close because of the light, see how the light glares on it? I'll hold it back, you can see a little bit better. That's just how it is. But I need a little bit of light in here, otherwise I'm just gonna have shadows all over my face. But I think the lighting is much better. I know you guys told me it did. And it's not so glary back there. So I kind of shut the blinds. Hey, I gotta show you something really quick. Edna. You guys, I gotta show you Edna. I'm a Disney nut, and maybe you get that, maybe you don't. I love Edna from The Incredibles. Oh my God, I love Hi, Edna. How you doing today?
Go on.
You look fabulous.
Okay, darling.
Makeover?
A makeover, huh?
Yes.
You need a new look, that is certain. Let me design something for you. Okay, darling?
Okay.
Now, do you like red or black?
Black.
Black.
Yes.
Power, mystery, and glimmer, yes. Your look will be spectacular. Yes, darling.
And I love you. I love your sassy attitude.
Okay, darling.
I do.
Oh, no, darling, you don't say.
I do. You're fabulous. Am I talking too much?
Oh, my.
Am I talking too fast?
Uh-huh.
Well, that was rude.
Okay, darling.
Well, I have to go.
Well.
I'll see you later.
Uh-huh.
Goodbye. Bye.
Whatever, darling, whatever.
You have an attitude.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about your attitude, girl.
What are you talking about?
Am I stuttering? So that's Edna. And I love her. I love her little sassy attitude. Gotta love a little sassy attitude, you know what I mean? So we're slowly starting to decorate our home. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I don't think I used that last time. So slowly but surely we're starting to decorate our house. And I hope that our table set will be in soon. I'm a little disappointed in the company that I ordered my kitchen table and chair set, so I hope that I like it. It was supposed to ship out weeks ago and it hasn't, so I'll share that when I share my my house. I'll talk to you about that. And I don't like to put a company down, but I don't want to say it was, you know, they were so easy to deal with if they weren't, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go in with the drama. I'm going to use just a little bit of this up here. I don't want to use too much. I don't want it too dark because my lips are going to be slightly dark. So I don't want to go too much with that. I'm going to use this color. I'm going to use the light and the dark one together. It looks like Celestial and Drama. I'm going to use those two together and see what happens here. Kind of a weird combo because one's kind of bright, one's kind of dark, and it looks like the dark one is dominating, so let's put some of that bright here. I'm going to use this pink shimmery, I think it's Wild Orchid. I'm going to use that color. I'm not flipping you off. And I'm going to use my Prep and Prime. I have my MAC Fix Plus, but I don't have it in front of me. So I'm just going to take this. Why are we not done yet? Oh my goodness gracious. Seriously, some people with their power tools, I mean, just need to chill it out a little bit out there. Since I'm going to go off camera and do my eyebrows and probably my mascara or some of my mascara part of my liner and all that, I'm just going to do this. Let's do this really quick. So this was the eye kit that I got at the sale. I don't know if it's still available or not. I have no idea. And I've already tried these colors. I just don't know if I like them, so you tell me. This is Posse Kiss. It's kind of dark. Darker than I thought it would be. And I don't think it looks pink. Looks more red. I don't like it. Now I didn't line my lips, so they look ridiculous, but you can see what that looks like. Blushing Dream. And you know, let me show you that again close up just so you can see. So this was Posse Pink. But you saw what it looks like on me. Looks kind of orangey red. I wouldn't think that was a pink. And this one again is called Blushing Dream. That's what that one looks like. And I'm gonna put on. I don't like them. I think they're too, I think they come up too red on me. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to give this to my daughter because it's just not working. I normally love, you know, I love my Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. I'm not liking this. I'm already done because I went off camera and did my brows, which will be out before this. Okay, so this was a get ready with me, not meant to be like a review or anything, but I don't like the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. Those will probably go to my daughter because they're just a little too bright for me. Let me know what you think. I just think it's too much for me, and I don't think they both look pink. They look orange on me, or at least the one looked orange on me. And this eyeshadow. Okay, so I used what is it called? Wild Orchid? Okay, I used the Wild Orchid. I did not use that in the last video. It is a beautiful color, but it is like, not really pretty close up. It looks like it's cracking. And where's my brush here? I'm gonna see if I can blend it anymore. I feel like it's really weird. It's so pretty, but up close, it's not very pretty. It's, makes me have crepey eyes. See if you guys can see that. Can you see? If I get really close, let me see if I can get really close. Hope my camera's focusing. See how it looks kind of crepey and patchy? So that's a huge bummer because I was excited to use that. Let's see, are you gonna focus? So that's a huge bummer. So I'm gonna play around with it. I don't know why that happened. Do you have this palette? Have you played with it? Is that normal? I don't know. I did use this and I didn't just put it on. Was that the difference? Should I not have used this? I don't know. I'm gonna play around with it and I will update you guys and let you know about that color because the color is gorgeous. But up close, it just looks cracked and crepey, which isn't a very attractive look. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I always enjoy our time together. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. I love talking with you guys. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys real soon.